Welcome to Technologies KSA.
In this video, we are going to explore about Allen-Bradley's CompactLogix models. The most common Allen-Bradley's CompactLogix models are: first one is CompactLogix 5370. Next one is CompactLogix 5380. Last one is CompactLogix 5480. First we are going to explore about CompactLogix 5370. CompactLogix 5370 controllers are designed for traditional industrial automation applications. They offer a variety of options with varying processing power and memory capacity to suit different application demands.
It is suitable for typical applications like material handling, packaging, machine control and data logging.
It has a range of models with different memory and processing power options. It provides a standard Ethernet, IP communication. It supports various digital and analog I/O modules for sensor and actuator connections. Programmable using Studio 5000 Logix Designer software. Competitive cost option with basic capabilities. 1769 L35 ERM. More powerful option with basic capabilities. Next we are going to explore about CompactLogix 5380. CompactLogix 5380 controllers are similar to the CompactLogix 5370 but with added features like motion control and conformal coding for harsher environments. It is suitable for typical applications like 1. Indexing tables, 2. Process skids, 3. Complex material handling and 4. Applications requiring motion control. It has integrated motion control capabilities for controlling multiple axes, up to 16 axes, of motors and drives. It provides conformal coating option for protection against dust, moisture, and other contaminants. It is ideal for applications requiring precise positioning and control. Few examples of CompactLogix 5380 are 1769 L33 ERM. Motion control version of the 1769 L33E, suitable for basic motion applications. 1769 L36 ERM. High performance model with advanced motion control capabilities for complex applications. The last model is CompactLogix 5480. CompactLogix 5480 controllers are the most powerful of the 5000 family. They run Windows 10 IoT Enterprise alongside the Logix control engine, enabling embedded applications like data collection and analytics. Runs Windows 10 IoT Enterprise alongside the Logix control engine. It enables embedded applications like data collection, analytics, and human-machine interface (HMI) functionality on the controller itself. Examples of CompactLogix 5480 are 1769 L43S, standard model with Windows 10 IoT and safety features. 1769 L45S, high performance option with Windows 10 IoT and safety features. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more insights.